This is not healthy. If you're here for a healthy egg salad recipe, move on. I'm not your girl. I don't always race the clock. Sometimes I just make meals because I'm hungry. I eat at weird hours of the day. And today's one of those days where I'm making a little bit of a treat for myself. That's also going to be lunch for the rest of the week. So, thought I'd bring you along for the ride. I'm just going to make some egg salad. I've been in this kick of boiling eggs every weekend, and we're getting to the point where I don't want to eat another boiled egg by itself. So egg salad sounded really good. Like a traditional mayonnaise-y, super creamy, good egg salad with a lot of fresh green onion. And it's one of those weeks where I just want kind of comfort meal. It's high protein, I guess you could consider that. Going to start out with 4 green onions. Smell like the holidays to me. My mom always had green onions around the holidays, and she still does because she makes a really famous dried beef dip. I mean, it's famous in our house. I like to just cut up the whites and make sure those are really fine. Were you here last night for the onion debacle? Because I think I'm doing it again to myself. These again are tears of joy. This is about a 5-minute meal if you have boiled eggs ready to go. Maybe I'll just start this cooking series called Cooking with Kira While She's Crying. People, when they make egg salad, they will separate out the yolks and make your dressing. I just like to throw it in chunky. It will get mixed in, and you'll still get these really nice hearty bites of the yolk. These are so pretty. I really like to use my ugly eggs for egg salad. I have about 10 boiled eggs here, and my onions are underneath, so they're already cut up. Got some really good French's mustard. Two tablespoons or so. The star of the show, the very unhealthy ingredient. Three-quarters of a cup to a cup, and then salt, pepper, a little taste test here, lots of green onion, salt, pepper. Every time, every single time. And this will taste even better tomorrow for lunch. So good. I'll eat all of this. So yeah, I'm gonna eat a cup of mayonnaise this week. But I'm also gonna eat 10 eggs and some green vegetables. I think it'll be okay. Might make me feel better.